Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're comparing Rufus and Ventoy, two popular tools for creating bootable USB drives, to help you decide which one fits your needs in 2025. If you're installing operating systems, troubleshooting computers, or managing multiple bootable ISOs, this video is for you. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech comparisons and tutorials. Let's start with Rufus. Rufus is fast, lightweight, and highly customizable. It works with both BIOS and UEFI systems, supports Windows, Linux, and live USBs, and lets you choose partition schemes like MBR or GPT. Advanced users can tweak formatting options, file systems, and cluster sizes for complete control. It's free, open source, and trusted by beginners and pros alike. Now, let's talk about Ventoy. Ventoy works a bit differently. Instead of flashing a single ISO at a time, you can copy multiple ISO files directly onto your USB drive. When you boot your computer, Ventoy presents a menu so you can select which ISO to run. This makes it perfect if you need multiple operating systems or tools on one USB drive. Ventoy also supports both BIOS and UEFI systems, giving it wide compatibility across hardware. So, which one should you pick? If you want speed and full control for single ISO installations, Rufus is your best choice. It's perfect for installing a specific operating system or creating a portable live USB. If you need multi-ISO support and want to carry multiple operating systems or utilities on a single drive, Ventoy is unbeatable. In short, Rufus excels in speed, customization, and single ISO setups, while Ventoy shines for versatility and multi-ISO convenience. Your choice depends on whether you prioritize control or the ability to manage multiple ISOs easily. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with friends who might need a bootable USB tool, and subscribe for more tech guides and comparisons. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.